typecasting. Have the next topic, typecasting. Typecasting means you map the type of one object or a variable to another, which means, you can change the type from int to double, double to float, and vice versa. There are two ways in which you can do typecasting. It is either with your primitive data types. Hope you remember your primitive data types. Okay, your int, float, double, character, string, all those are your primitive data types. You can do casting with your primitive data types and even with objects. What we will learn today is the first one, casting with primitive types. I will touch on what is casting objects, but we will see it later when we go in detail about classes and objects. Okay, now have the heading casting data with primitive types. Now, primitive type data typecasting, you have two types. One is implicit casting and the other one is called explicit casting. Implicit and explicit. Both implicit and explicit happen between numeric types. Your primitive type casting happens only with numeric. Only with numeric. Boolean, you cannot typecast. Boolean, you cannot typecast. Usually you get it as a question for your aptitude and all. Which is the Boolean, which is the data type which you cannot typecast? The answer is very simple. You cannot typecast a Boolean. Boolean you cannot change to int. Int you cannot change to Boolean. That is what is meant. Okay. Now we will see one by one. The first one, we will see what do you mean by implicit casting. Okay. Now look here. Look here onto the screen. I do have a number, which is an integer, n. N, which is an integer. That is why I've given ni. Ni means n, which is an integer. The value is 10. Okay. Now, I am planning to change it into a double. The type, I am planning to change it into a double. I simply write double nd. I give another variable name, n, which is double, equal to ni. Okay, directly changing in a simple manner like this, you call it implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting. Now, tell me which has a higher storage space, int or double? Double. Tell me, double, right? Double has a higher storage space than int, which means, now your ni, your original ni is able to have higher precision. Agreed? Hyroniza, agreed?
Yes.
Ni is now able to have a higher precision. Okay, so its capacity is widened. Its capacity is widened. Such a casting, you call it a widening typecasting, or even it is called wide casting. Just have these names written. You call it widening typecasting or simply wide casting, where you make it into a bigger capacity. You call it wide casting. I've given another example over here. I've got x and y, both are integer, but I am dividing it and then storing it into double. Okay, this also is a wide casting because an integer is converted to double. Integer converted to float, that is also wide casting. Float converted to double, you call it wide casting. Hope you're able to understand why. It's because, the higher capacity. Can I go further? Sandra, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can I go further?
Yes.
Okay, we'll go for the next one. Explicit casting. Explicit casting, it is the opposite. It is the opposite of wide casting. You have a higher capacity, you narrow it down. You have a higher capacity of your memory, you narrow it down. You call it narrowing typecasting, or even simply narrow casting. Now look here. I have a double 10.12. 10.12, and I am planning to make it into an integer. It is actually double. Can you see it? It is actually double. I am now planning to change it to an integer. Now, when you do explicit casting, okay, you should, the type you want to change, you should be giving it like this in an simple bracket, the type, simple bracket. You call it explicit casting. You call it explicit casting. The syntax is different for implicit and explicit. We will do programs on it, and we have the syntax. You will write it data type value, not simply conversion. You write the data type and the value. Look into the second example. I've got an x as 10.2, fine. Y as 2, I am doing a division, 10.2 by 2. 10.2 by 2 will give you a double, right? You should be getting an answer 5.1. Agreed? Lorraine, agreed? The answer will be 5.1. But Lorraine, is it fine?
Hello.
Lorraine,
Hello.
is it fine? Okay.
Oh.
The result 10.2 by 2, you should be getting. എന്ത് നോക്കാന്?
1 second. അല്ല മാം സോറി മാം ഒരു വെള്ളം നോക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
വീട്ടില് മോട്ടർ ഇടുന്നതും ടാങ്ക് നിറയ്ക്കുന്നതൊക്കെ ഇതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് നോക്കുവാണോ?
അല്ല മമ്മി നോക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞ് കുളിക്കാൻ പോയിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ക്ലാസ്സിലിരിക്കുമ്പോ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, വീട്ടുകാര്യങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാതെ കേട്ടോ. അമ്മയോട് വരെ ശല്യപ്പെടുത്താതിരിക്കാം ക്ലാസ്സിന്റെ സമയത്ത്, മുറി അടച്ചിട്ടിരിക്കും. Okay, now look here. Result is equal to actually 5.1. Now, I do not want that 0.1. I want only the integer value, which means only 5. So what I do is I'm storing it into result, and to take only the integer part, I write over here in bracket int. Result is declared as int. It is fine. That should be there. Together with that, to convert this particular double to an int, I should be writing the data type over here in explicit casting. You should explicitly tell which data type in explicit casting. In implicit casting, you do not want that. In implicit casting, you do not need to write the data type, but in explicit narrowing down, you should write the data type. Okay, Nikhil, are you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do a question. We will do programs. Okay, take your notebooks. And let's write a program. Have a question. Calculate area, the easiest one. Calculate area of a circle. Use wide casting. Okay, I will do the same thing. Okay, start writing the program on your book. Okay, enter the area, enter radius. R is equal to okay, fine. Okay, this is my common template. And you just need to fill things into that. I've read the radius. Okay, so what did we have the question? Wide casting and narrow casting. Chinu, what was it? Wide casting. Okay, so I'll have it as float R. I am having a float. And yeah, float area also I will have it as float. Okay, now tell me what is the calculation for area. Area is equal to 3.14 into R into R. Okay, I'll have the Control C, Control V. Area is A or area. This is my normal program. Okay, everything is float. I've done no typecasting over here. Is the program very clear? Dilshad, is the program clear? I've not done any typecasting. I just have a single data type. Let me save my program and run it. It will save my program as area wide. Area wide. Area wide.java. Area wide.java. I'll execute my program. Java C area wide.java. Okay.
Ma'am, command prompt, you can see.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now look here. Look onto the error. Okay. Now, I plan to do 3.14 into R into R. Look at the error which comes up. They themselves is telling there is a possible loss of precision, which means I did float. In case I am entering my radius as 5.35. Okay, imagine I am entering my radius as 5.35 because R can take a float. R can take a float, which means I am planning to give 5.35. 5.35 into 3.14 into 3.14 will give you a huger number, which needs higher precision. So they themselves is telling there is a possible loss of precision, which means I should now do a typecasting. In my program. The compiler itself is telling me, you better do a typecasting. Now, I am going to do a typecasting over here. Now, to do a typecasting, what should I do? I should make this into double. Area into double. Okay, now look here. Double is equal to float into float. Are you able to understand me? Dilshad, are you able to get me? Double, area is double. Double is going to store the answer of your float into float. Okay, so it is widening. You have done a wide casting over here in this statement. You have done a wide casting. Are you able to understand, Dilshad? Dilshad? Are you able to understand? I've done a wide casting because it is actually floats over here. This is a float. This is a float. The answer should also actually be a float. But because there is a loss of precision, I need a wider capacity. So I'm not happy with float. I go for double. This concept, you call it wide casting. Wide casting.
Ma'am, a doubt. ക്ലാസിന്റെ പേര് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്യാപ്സ് വേണമെന്നില്ലേ?
ഇല്ല, ഒന്നുമില്ല. നെയിമിംഗ് ക്യാമൽ കേസല്ല ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നേ. ഇത് തെറ്റില്ല, ഇതൊരു നെയിമിംഗ് കൺവെൻഷൻ അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. എഴുതിയാലും ഇതൊന്നും എറർ അല്ല, ബട്ട് if you are planning to go for the naming convention, yes, this is the best way to write it. Ma'am,
ഒരു ഡൗട്ട് മാം. ഹലോ.
Yes, tell me.
R is equal to integer dot parse int this read line.
Wait. Pass float. And copy paste ആയിരുന്നല്ലോ data. Float. Yeah, okay. Float. No, if it was integer dot int, my 5.35 would not have been accepted. Even though this has been given a float over here, only 5 would have been accepted. Are you able to get me?
അല്ല മാം, നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ സ്ട്രിംഗ് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലേ ഇന്റ് ആയിട്ട്? അപ്പൊ അതൊരു ടൈപ്പ് കാസ്റ്റ് പറ്റില്ലേ? ആണോ?
ഏത്? അതൊരു ഇൻബിൽറ്റ് ടൈപ്പ് കാസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആണ്. That is an inbuilt typecasting. What we are looking over here is user-defined typecasting.
Okay.
This, you were talking about this, right? This is an inbuilt typecasting in Java. Converting all strings to whatever you want. You can make it a float, you can make it an int, whatever. Okay. What we are talking about here is user-defined typecasting. You writing it in your code. Okay. Are you able to get me?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we have over here is you are giving this float a higher precision, a higher capacity. Now let's save my program and then we'll run the program. Okay. Java area wide. Area wide.
മാം നമ്മ എ ക്യാപ്സ് ആക്കിയായിരുന്നു.
ഓ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ വെയിറ്റ് ഇത് എന്നത്തിന് എന്നെ കൊണ്ട് അതാക്കിയത് ഞാൻ ഇനി മൊത്തം കമ്പൈൽ ചെയ്യാൻ നിൽക്കണ്ടേ വെയിറ്റ് ഓക്കെ see in case this meeting gets over log in again like last time. Okay, log in again like last time. Java C area wide, Java area wide, enter the radius. I'll enter 5.35. Okay, look here, look at the precision. It's greater than 7, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, it's almost 15. Okay, so this you call it wide casting. Wide casting. Now I'll tell you what this error happened over here. The error happened over here is I was trying to run a program called area wide, small a. But you know, when Lorraine told me, I accidentally changed my program name into capital. Okay. When Lorraine told me, what I did is I saved it as capital A. So my program will not execute. That was that error which happened over there. I should have saved it in capital A then. That was the error which occurred. Otherwise, a perfectly fine program. Are you able to understand what do you mean by wide casting? Is it fine, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we'll go to the next. Have a question. We'll do the same thing. Calculate area using narrow casting. Let's see how to do a narrow casting. Okay. Let R be float. Now tell me, narrow casting, what is it? What is narrow casting? Anu Maria Paul, tell me what is narrow casting? Big to small or small to big? Anu Maria Paul, tell me what is narrow casting?
Big to small.
Okay, which means
Hello?
higher capacity. Very good, very good, Anu Maria. Higher capacity, you are making it into lower capacity, float to int. Okay, hope it is very clear. Now, I enter 5.35 as the radius. I do not want a big fat answer. I want a crisp integer answer without decimal point. Are you able to get my requirement? So now I am going to do a narrow casting. Now, to do narrow casting, I should not have deleted it. Area is equal to the same formula, 3.14 into R into R. Okay, this is my narrow casting. Now look here, this simply will not work in narrow casting. You have to write integer because you're planning to take only the integer value. You should explicitly, that is why it is called explicit casting. You should explicitly write over here int. So this calculated 3.14 into 5.35 into 5.35 is calculated. Okay. Now imagine you are getting a value. What was the value earlier? 89.87. Okay. 89.877. Okay. This is actually the answer. Okay. This is actually the answer. Only the integer part will be taken. This will be done away with. Are you able to get me, Anu Maria Paul? Okay. Now, look here. Imagine I give over here int. Okay. int. No, I'm completely narrow casting it. Tell me what will happen. Shruti, tell me what will the compiler now understand? 3 point. How will it happen? I am entering R as 5.35. I am entering R is equal to 5.35. Okay. What will happen now? Joshni, tell me. Joshni is not able to hear me. Okay. Now I'll tell you. Parvati, are you able to tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
It'll be
what will happen?
calculated.
3.14, 3 will be taken, agreed. 5.35, what
Yes,
will be taken?
5.
5 will be taken. And again, 5.35, what will be taken?
5.
5 will be taken. Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now imagine I didn't put this over here. Anyway, we'll run this program. Okay. So are you able to get it? I will save it in the same name area wide itself. I'll compile it once again. Now we'll do it. We'll do the compiling. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen, Simran?
Yes, ma'am.
Command
Yes,
prompt?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Enter the radius. I'll enter 5.35. I'll get a completely different answer. Okay. 5 5s are 25, 3s are 75. Are you able to get me? 3.14 and 1.14 I forgot. 5.35, 0.35 I forgot. 5.35 again 0.35 I forgot. Okay. You get the area is 75. I'll take my program once again so that you'll get an idea. Okay. I entered 5.35. 3.14 അതിന്റെ integer മാത്രമേ എടുത്തുള്ളൂ. Are you able to understand, Joshni? R also I left off this portion. 0.35 I left off.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this my answer will be 75. A completely different answer. Earlier you got something, no, 87.9. When you did when you do a narrow casting, you will get this answer. When you do a wide casting, you will get this answer. Is it fine? The difference. Matthew, are you able to understand? Matthew Reggie? Brinta? Caleb? Silja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So is it very clear what is wide casting and what is narrow casting? Okay, quickly have the programs onto your book. Quickly have the programs onto your book. Completely different answers you will get. Completely different answers will be there. Okay, please have the programs onto your book. Types of type casting. You have two: implicit casting, explicit casting. Implicit is wide casting, small to big. Explicit is narrow casting, big to small. Have it as two different programs.